Hello, good afternoon. Smoothie ko today. Ayan, so nilagyan ko siya ng guyabano and papaya. So, high in fiber and beta-carotene and pineapple. So, high in vitamin C. And also, saging na saba. On top, so add lang ng water. Try nyo to, masarap. And yung cover, yung blade. Yan, so ensure lang na mahigpit. And blend. So yung mga fruits na yan, mataas sa fiber. Merong vitamin C. So yan yung smoothie ko for today. Try nyo na yan. Thank you for watching. Bye.